Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. The function is r to r given by f of x is equal to x square. Let us check whether it is 1 to 1. The function f of x is equal to x square and it is from r to r. So if you take minus 2, when you square it, it will become plus 4. Plus 2 you square it, it will become plus 4. Similarly minus 1 will become 1, plus 1 will become 1. So it's very clear different elements have same image. Different elements have the same image. So if different elements have same image, it is not 1 to 1. Different elements should have different images. Is it onto? No. The codomain is a set of real numbers. The range is the non-negative real numbers. So it is not onto because codomain is not equal to the range. Well, let us first prove it is not 1 to 1. That is, let us take x1, x2 belongs to R. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we have to check if x1 equal to x2. So what is f of x? X square. So what will be f of x1? x1 square. F of x2 will be x2 square. So x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. That is the identity. So x1 is equal to x2 and x1 is equal to minus x2. So you're getting two values for x1. x1 is equal to x2 and x1 is also equal to minus x2. Then that means this is not 1 to 1. If it is 1 to 1, then f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Here it is not equal to. Therefore the function is not 1 to 1. That means the function is not injective. Now we'll prove this is not onto function. So how do you prove this is not onto function? To check whether it is onto, so it is given y is x square. You have to write x in terms of y. So x square is y, x is equal to root of y. So you take any element y belongs to R in the codomain. Can you find x is equal to root of y in the domain? For example, if you take minus 3, y belongs to R, right? You take y is equal to some minus 3 or anything, any number, minus 5. Y is in the codomain. Now you have to find root of y, that is root of minus 5. Do you have root of minus 5 in the real set of real numbers? Root of minus 5 is an imaginary number. So it is not there in the set of real numbers. So some elements, especially the negative numbers, do not have a pre-image. So codomain is not equal to the range. Codomain is a set of real numbers and range is the non-negative real numbers. Therefore the function is not onto and it is not surjective. Now we move on to the fourth question. F is a function from n to n. F of x is equal to x cube. Let us check whether it is 1 to 1. If you take 1, cube of 1 is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 27. So different elements have different images. So the function is 1 to 1. Is it onto? No, because the range is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, etc. And the codomain is n. So range is not equal to the codomain. So it is not onto. Let us prove 1 to 1. x1, x2 belongs to n. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. So use the identity x1 minus x2, x1 square plus x1, x2 plus x2 square. This is not equal to 0 because x1 square is positive, x1, x2 is positive, x2 square is positive because they are all natural numbers. So sum of three positive numbers cannot be 0. So x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function is 1 to 1. That means it is injective. Let us check whether it is onto. So first write x in terms of y. Y is x cube. So x is equal to y power 1 by 3. So take y as some 7. 7 belongs to set of natural numbers. Can you find 7 power 1 by 3 in the domain? You cannot find because domain is set of natural numbers. So some elements in the codomain do not have pre-images. So that means the codomain is not equal to the range. So codomain is set of natural numbers and the range is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, etc. So therefore it is not on 2. Therefore it is not surjective. Now we move on to the fifth question. F is from z to z given by f of x is equal to x cube. The function is from z to z. So if you take minus 1, minus v cube will become minus 1, minus 2 will go to minus 8, 1 will go to 1, 2 will go to 8 because there is a cube. Now the different elements have different images. Therefore this function is 1 to 1. But the codomain is a set of integers. Range is equal to cube of those integers. So they are not equal. Some elements are left out. So it is not on 2. How do you prove it is 1 to 1? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 cube, x1, x2 belongs to z. So f of x1 is x1 cube, f of x2 is x2 cube. Use the identity x1 minus x2 into x1 square, x1, x2 plus x2 square. This term will not become 0. This will become 0 only if x1 and x2 are imaginary numbers. That is only if they belong to the set of complex numbers. Here the set is only integers. So it is not equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function is 1 to 1. Therefore it is injective. We will check whether it is on 2. The range is 0, 1 cube, 2 cube, minus 1 cube, etc. So that means the range is not equal to the codomain. So it is not on 2. We will prove it. Y is x cube, x is y power 1 by 3, y belongs to z. Take any integer, put y is some 3. Can you find 3 power 1 by 3 in the set of integers? No. 3 power 1 by 3 is not there in set of integers. So some elements in the codomain do not have pre-images. So it is not on 2. Therefore it is not surjective.